Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft connection timed error Getsockopt OPT. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, gotta go to your date and time right here at the bottom right. Right click on it, just date and time. Make sure that you set both set time zone automatically and set time automatically as enabled, okay? Now, once that's enabled, okay, go ahead and click on sync now. Wait a bit, close this one. Now launch Minecraft. If that still will work, go and find your search bar and type down CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. There'll be a pop-up, just click on Yes. Now go ahead and type down ipconfig space / flush DNS. Okay, hit on Enter, and then once done, type down net sh space winsock space reset. Hit on Enter. Another one, net sh space int space ip space reset. Hit on Enter, and then go ahead and type down exit, enter, restart your computer, and check if it helps. If that still will work, go ahead over to your search bar and type down control panel. Okay, click on it, and make sure that under view by, select large icons. Then go ahead and find Network and Sharing Center. Click on it. Now click on Change Adapter Settings. Now double click on the network that you are currently using. Now click on Properties. Go to TCP IPv4, Properties, and then just follow my settings, okay? Obtain an IP address automatically and use the following DNS server addresses: 8888, 8844. Click on OK, close everything right here. Now launch Minecraft, and you should be good to go. And that is how you fix the Minecraft connection timed out error. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.